Are you looking to start a high-demand tech career with no prior experience? Business intelligence is one of the fastest-growing fields, and Google's Business Intelligence Professional Certificate is a powerful way to get job-ready in just a few months. This is your opportunity to learn directly from one of the world's most innovative companies without ever stepping foot in a classroom or paying thousands in tuition fees. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're exploring the Google Business Intelligence Professional Certificate, a career-focused program that's already helped more than 114,000 learners take their first steps toward a data-driven future. Stay with us until the end to find out how you can enroll in this course for free through the link in our description. Let's talk about what this certificate offers. This fully online program is designed to help you build practical, job-ready skills in business intelligence, even if you're new to the field. It covers everything from understanding the fundamentals of business intelligence to using real-world tools and platforms that employers actually want to see. You'll start by learning the core concepts of business intelligence and how companies use data to make informed decisions and improve performance. Then, you'll dive into data modeling, discovering how to structure and organize data so it can be easily analyzed. One of the most important skills you'll gain is SQL. You'll get hands-on practice writing SQL queries to extract and work with data in relational databases, an essential skill in nearly every BI job today. The course also emphasizes data visualization. You'll learn to use industry-standard tools like Looker Studio, Tableau, and spreadsheets to build dashboards and reports that clearly communicate insights. And to make everything more practical, you'll apply your skills in case studies and capstone projects designed to simulate real business scenarios. After completing the program, you'll receive a professional certificate from Google. It's a credential you can proudly share on your resume and LinkedIn profile, signaling to employers that you've been trained by one of the most respected tech companies in the world. This certificate opens doors to roles like business intelligence analyst, data analyst, operations analyst, and reporting analyst. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, careers in data are projected to grow by more than 25% this decade, and many of these roles offer competitive salaries and remote flexibility. What makes this program especially appealing is how accessible it is. It's 100% online, requires no prior experience, and lets you learn at your own pace. Whether you're working full-time or juggling other commitments, you can fit it into your schedule. The course is taught by Google experts. So, are you ready to take the first step toward a career in business intelligence? We've included a special link in the video description that allows you to enroll in the Google Business Intelligence Professional Certificate today. Just click the link, sign up, and start learning for free. For more free courses, professional development articles, and training resources, be sure to visit us at businesstrainingmedia.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who could benefit from this opportunity. Best of luck as you take the next step in your career journey.